Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, and all the governors across the Nigerian state here present, serving and retired. The distinguished senators and members of the House of Representatives here present, my colleagues, the former attorneys general of the Federation here present, my learned brother Silk, senior advocates here present, higher dignitaries and principal officers in the service of the federal and state governments here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed honored to be here this evening to witness yet another expression of excellence, which indeed a consolidation of what has been established, inclusive of a program and a project we were here to commission earlier in the month, around 18th day of December, which was indeed one of the major milestones establishing excellence on the part of the Executive Governor of Rivers State, the commissioning of the Lagos campus, the commissioning of the Rivers campus of the law school. Today, His Excellency has further established a point of taking governance, not only in terms of expression of infrastructure, but in terms of expression of a handshake, in terms of expression of a bridge building, in terms of indeed establishing the national outlook of governance in terms of accommodation of people from across the nation. Today, indeed, he has demonstrated what it is about governance. Indeed, acknowledging excellence, commending contributions, and indeed endorsing and establishing that those that have indeed provided services are entitled, as a matter of honor, as a matter of acknowledgement, as a matter of respect, to be honored. Your Excellency, you are by so doing establishing a point. Governance is about next level, and you have indeed demonstrated what it takes to be accommodative, to be a bridge builder, a builder of bridges across the Niger. You have established a bridge we are happy crossing over to come around for the purpose of identifying with you in the expression of excellence attributed to the service of the nation, to the service of Rivers State, and we appreciate you wholeheartedly. For those of us that are honored today, I will use this opportunity to express our wholehearted appreciation. It is indeed about coming together. It is about collaboration. It is about cooperation. And then that eventually translated to excellency in governance that we are here today, tonight, indeed endorsing, establishing, accommodating, and working together for the purpose of lifting this great country of ours to greater heights. Your Excellency, we appreciate you immensely for the honor done to us, and we'll continue to appreciate you. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for the honor.